Tonight in the wok, a simple beef stir fry with 3 onions, big aroma and a sauce that coats every bite. This stir fry proves simple food can be incredible. And here with the ingredients, let's get into it. To the left, marinade, and to the right, sauce. I'm using slightly less than half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, some dark soy, oyster sauce, regular light sauce, cornstarch, and 300 grams of beef. I'm also using yellow onion, green onion, shallots, and some garlic. And for the sauce, brown sugar, rice vinegar, apple juice, and oyster sauce. The rice vinegar and apple juice replaces the Shaoxing wine, so you can use that in place of what I'm using. We'll begin by marinating the beef, so take your bicarbonate of soda. This is optional, but is a great trick to tenderize beef, and it's usually used in restaurants sometimes. So you think you're getting a tender cut of beef, but not really the case. Although it is a widely used velveting technique in Asian cooking. The key is not to overdo it. Now let's add in the sauce. So the oyster sauce goes in and the soy, followed by the cornstarch. This is going to help to velvet or give that meat a lovely silky texture. Besides being fairly easy to make, why do people love this dish so much? It uses 3 onions, yellow or white onion that gives sweetness and body to the dish. It softens and lightly caramelizes and absorbs sauce well, while shallots are more delicate and fragrant, adding a slightly sweet, almost garlicky depth to the dish. Very aromatic. And the green onions added near the end provide a nice aroma and brightness so the dish doesn't feel heavy. As you've seen, all the cornstarch was worked into the meat, and I've kept a little bit of the dark soy aside. Now adding a touch of that sesame oil. This adds fragrance and will help to loosen the meat as we add it to the wok. Now we'll just mix the sauce together. The key with wok cookery is having everything ready, so that when you begin, it's just layering flavor, step by step, right till the very end. I think we can safely say that beef and onions have always been a natural pairing. In wok cooking, onions do more than add flavor. They help to build the base of the dish. You will also find that shallots are prized in many Asian kitchens because they're sweeter and more aromatic than regular onions, and when they hit the hot wok, release a deep fragrance that adds another layer of flavor to the dish. Let's prep the vegetables. I'm going to fry the shallots till nice and brown. Now we'll saute the sliced yellow onions, the whiter part of the green onions. And now just lightly saute the greener parts. Okay, I add some peanut oil to the pan. I like using peanut oil. Why? It's a higher smoking point. It works well in wok cookery. I'm frying the beef in 2 stages, so this is the second batch right now. Look at the caramelization of the beef. This is the Maillard reaction. This creates flavor. Oh yes, tender and flavorful. We're almost there. Garlic goes in. Let it release some of that aromatic aroma. And now we'll add in the sauce. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of water, so I just rinsed out that sauce bowl, just like this. And I add a 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder to the sauce. And it naturally begins to thicken. And then we add in the beef. And give that a good toss in the sauce so that every piece of meat is coated. Add in those sauteed onions. And for some bright and fresh notes, the green onion. Really easy and convenient, perfect for a weeknight meal. And we're done. Let's reveal our dish. There you have it, folks. I hope you like it. Simple ingredients, fast cooking, big flavor. 3 onions, tender beef, 1 sizzling wok. Like the video if you like it, and subscribe for more bold Asian flavors. It really helps the channel.